model, 65-plate Ford Transit Connect 200L1 diesel 1.6 TDCi 115ps limited van spares OR repair. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 148,173. MOT, 5 April 2024. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCi 115ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing belt has snapped. Easy repair if you know what you're doing to get this back on the road. Condition summary, bodywork is in great condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: air con, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control.